Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Syntax Writer, where we simplify complex topics in Excel, SQL, and more. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a prediction model in Excel using linear regression. This is a powerful technique that can help you make accurate predictions based on your data, whether you're working with sales figures, growth metrics, or any other data set. Let's dive right in. Here, I've got a data set that contains the heights and weights of a group of individuals. Our goal is to create a model that can predict weight based on height. We'll be using linear regression to do this. The first step is to visualize the data with a scatter plot. This helps us see if there's a linear relationship between height and weight. To create a scatter plot, select your data, go to the Insert tab, and choose Scatter Plot. Simple as that. Next, we'll add a trend line, which is the line of best fit through our data points. Right-click on any data point in the scatter plot and select Add Trend Line. Make sure to choose Linear as the type, and don't forget to check the boxes to display the equation and the R-squared value on the chart. Now add new column for predicted weight. And adjust the chart for better display. Here's our trend line with the equation and R-squared value. The equation shows us how to calculate the predicted weight from any given height. In this equation, y denotes weight and x denotes height. The R-squared value of 0.9855 tells us that our model is very accurate, explaining over 98% of the variability in weight based on height. Let's write the equation in predicted weight column to predict weight. Now press Enter. Here you can see all the predicted values. To see how accurate this prediction is, let's compare it to the actual data, make another column of difference between actual values and predicted values. So write in first cell equals to B2 minus C2, it means actual weight minus predicted weight. Now press Enter, as you can see the difference. Adjust the chart again. Now we will create a simple prediction model using trendline equation that predicts the weight for any given height. To make this, we will use trendline equation in weight cell and press Enter. You can see negative weight because of invalid's height. Let's enter a valid height. Now we can see valid weight. Let's change the format of our model to better display. Let's predict some more weights for different heights. And that's how you create a simple yet powerful prediction model in Excel using linear regression. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with any questions, and share it with others who might benefit. Also, make sure to subscribe to the Syntax Writer for more tutorials on Excel, SQL, and other tech skills that can boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.